Hi there, welcome back to Krish Think. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you a simple and interesting project with Arduino Uno, which is the clap switch. Let's get started. Wait. Have you guys subscribed my channel? That was the important thing you guys must do before we get into our project. Therefore, you will not be able to miss out my Arduino projects. So now, let's get started. In this project, you would need an Arduino Uno board, a microphone sensor, a LED, and lastly, a few jumper wires. There are 3 pins we gotta use on the microphone sensor for this project. There are, the analog output pin, the power pin, and then, the ground pin. The digital pin is not required, because we are using LED as a digital output for the microphone. The first thing first, we gotta port the jumper wires to the pins that I've mentioned just now. I prefer to use a male to female jumper wires, in order to connect the microphone straight away to the Arduino board instead of using breadboard. Then, port the analog pin of the sensor to analog pin 0. The power goes to the 5-volt port, and the ground goes to the GND port. Now, we gonna move on to the next step. Open the Arduino IDE platform. Then, port the Arduino board to your desktop, via USB cable. So now it's our coding time. Don't worry for the coding, I've put down a GitHub code file in the description below. Just click on it, and you will be redirected to the code file. In the IDE platform, make sure that all the presets for upload the code have been selected. Once you've done your uploading process, pick any color of LED light, and port it to the digital pin 13. Now we are done with the pinout process. Let's see what is going to be happen in our project. Wow, amazing, right? You could observe that once I've snapped my finger, the light turns on, and when I snap again it turns off. This is how some AI homes are working well with these sensors. Now, let's watch how does it happen. When I snap the finger, the sound of the snap will be converted into frequency by the microphone sensor, because it could read the value of the frequency of sound only. Once the sound have detected, it will read the value of the frequency, and make a switch to the digital pin output, which is the on-off process of the LED. I think some of you can understand what I mean. Am I right? Never mind. It is just a learning process only. I will definitely help you in any matter to improve your skills of learning electronics. That is why Krish Think is for. Just leave a comment if you got any question. I will give my best to each of your response, and it's time for me to backpack. Everyone, please listen to me. Just subscribe my channel before you leave on my video. I will be happy if you do so as honor to me. I will catch those who subscribe to me in the next video. Until then, this is Krish Think.